dog named Amazon Parrot. Groucho, can you give everybody out there a great big hello? Nice. Very nice. Now, yellow-nosed Amazon parrots are normally found in the forests of Central America, but not Groucho. He has lived with people his entire life, and he's learned to take mimicry to a whole new level. Are you ready to show him? More amazing than that is he actually knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Would y'all like to hear another song? Alright, so they're being real sweet out there. Let's do something special. Can you give everybody out there a great big kiss? Oh, what happened to the end of that one? How about, what are you looking at up there? Yeah, keep your eye to the sky, Groucho. I think we're safe though. I think those are just vultures. Yeah, don't worry. Just look alive. Okay, are you ready? Can we get a great big kiss? Oh no. Yeah, are you ready? Okay, everything's fine. We're safe up here. Oh, you want it? What? We didn't finish the kiss. You gotta do your kiss. How about a great big kiss? There we go. Good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Nice stuff. Okay, now you can pick any of the other songs you would like to sing for everyone. Are you ready?
Hi. Hello. Hi. I just come.
I just been wanting.
Oh,
I didn't know. I wanted to be home. I've been nothing wrong. Would it die? Would it fail?
is that it? Okay, any more?
Hello. Какой классный, боже, я говорю. Короче, Гоша, я тебя похищаю. Скажи.
Hello, pretty girl. Hi, Chloe. Where's your key cat?
gonna sing? I love you. What you doing? Hello? Hello? Where's Kit Kat? Where's Kit Kat? What you doing? Chloe, what you doing, huh? Chloe, pretty girl. Chloe, do you want a treat? Want a treat? Are you done? You don't like the camera, do you? No, no bites. No bites. Just step up. Oh, shame on you. Step up. Step up. Step up. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. You done? Dogs. What's a dog say? What's a dog say, Chloe? What's that dog say? The puppy says, whoop, whoop. What's a dog say? Good girl. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Say ciao, Bella.